I would like to thank first of all Deccan Chronicle for organizing this property show, giving a chance to all the developers to display their products and a consumer to choose from the variety of the developers. Now regarding this regulatory bill, which is the hot topic going on among the developers, now government, I understand they kept in view the consumer's point of view. There one or two builders must have cheated somebody, to teach them a lesson. They have coming out with a bill and covering the whole lot of developers, builders who are genuine. Like we are for last 25 years, we are in this field. We know how to satisfy a customer, and customer is also equally learned and equally conscious, equally intelligent to take their safety. So many things are there, but one or two builders must have done some irregular things, which should not be implemented on all the builders. In this, what happens is first of all time factor. Time factor, it will be time consuming for all the builders to go and take permissions. As it is it is taking a lot of time for getting the clearances, permissions. And one more thing comes means it will still consume, and which will ultimately the burden will be on the developer, which will cost the project more. And regarding the they say it should be on carpet area. See, carpet area, especially we are from Hyderabad. Hyderabad builders, nobody charges on carpet area for residential units. It may be there in Bombay or Delhi, but other states nobody sells in the carpet area, because there are a lot of facilities they give, so that the common area increases. So there the consumer gets a lesser area. So that is the reason the carpet area concept is there in Bombay, where the prices are very high. In Hyderabad, I don't think anybody will be charging more than 15 to 20% common area, and which is very viable, and everything is transparent. GHMC has laid down very clear rules. How much should be the common area, how much should be all those things. In fact, we give sometimes more than the required thing. And common area, whatever is required by GMC, that only is being charged. I don't know why suddenly government is thinking that it should be charged in corporate area. Anyway, that is one thing. And secondly, see, the more you put rules, the more will be the time consumed and the more will be the costing, which will ultimately be transferred to the customer or consumer. He has to unnecessarily face the burden. In fact, when the government is trying to help them, they should not try to impose rules which will be a burden for them as far as prices are concerned. Anyway, before they pass the bill or finalize the regulation bill, I feel the representative from the builders community should be taken from all the cities, so that all the cities have got different rules. It is to be like representative from all the cities should be taken so that it comes out crystal clear. Okay. So I would request, that is our only request from the government, to see that everybody's interest is taken care of.